Class, and we are back for math today. I am going to share my screen so we can begin learning and subitizing. Okay, so today, first for math, like we always do, we're going to do some subitizing. So I'm actually going to unshare my screen so we can do our subitizing. Remember, when I hold them up, make sure you put the number on your fingers, however many it is, and then when I'm ready, we'll shout it out together, okay? Put how many there are on your fingers. How many? 2. Good. How about this one? 1. Good. How many are here? Put it up on your fingers, please. How many do you see? 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right. Look for a group of 5 in this one. How many do you see? 7. Good. 5, 6, 7. Good. We like to count on from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7. Great. How about this one? Put it up on your fingers first. How many do you see? 3. Very good. Couple more. How many do you see here? 4. Very good. All right, last one. See if you can see a group of 5. Put it up on your fingers. How many do you see? I see 8. Here's a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very good, class. Okay, I am going to share my screen as we get back to our PowerPoint. All right, so we are going to do fluency. Go ahead and pause your video, get out your notebook, and fill in the numbers below, starting from 1 to 10. If you want to go beyond 10, that is awesome. Do not forget to watch our Pinkfong song. Go straight down and then you're done. I am number 1. It will help you write all the numbers if you forget. It's okay if you forgot because we haven't been in school for a while. So if you need help writing numbers, please go to the YouTube channel under Math number writing, and you can watch our video and fill in your notebook or your whiteboard with all of your numbers 1 through 10. So after 1 comes what? 2. So you'll write 2, then 3. Good. Fill all the way up to 10. Okay. Let's go ahead and do number recognition. If you have not written your numbers down on a whiteboard or a notebook, pause the video right now and go ahead and do that first. And then you can come back for number recognition. It's really important to keep practicing writing numbers, okay? All right, here we go. Same with our letters. When I'm up top, close your mouth. And then when I go below, shout it out, okay? Make sure you're saying it loud and proud so you know the numbers. So I know you know the numbers. Okay, ready, set, go. 1, 6, very good. 3, let me hear you. 10, 2, good, I can hear us all together. 4, 0, 8, 5, 7, bigger numbers down here, pay attention. 20, good. I see a number with a 1 in front of it. 15, 18, 11, 9. Very good. All right, let's move on to shapes. When I point at the shape, I want you to shout out, what shape do you see? Remember, these are 2D or flat shapes right here. How about this one? Diamond, good. Triangle, hexagon, square, oval, rectangle, circle. If you want to pause the video and draw these shapes right now, that would be awesome. Practicing drawing and naming shapes is very important to be ready for next year. All right, here we go with 3D shapes. These are the shapes we've been practicing all year. Parents in kindergarten, repetition is the best way for students to know the basics. So that is why we do number recognition, number writing, and shape recognition every day for math. All right, so what do you see? Remember, these are 3D shapes. This is not a circle. What is it? Sphere. Good. What about this one? Pyramid. How about this one? Cube. Good. Cylinder. How about this one? Cone. And this one, it's our newest shape. Starts with a prism. Good. Tell me, what color shape is a cylinder? Tell me what color shape. Cylinder is orange. Very good. What color is the cube? Green. What color is the cone? Light blue. Very good. All right, let's move on to our practice problem of the day. This says, the directions say to complete the pattern. Uh-oh. I know my students know what a pattern is, right? We do a pattern every day during our calendar. So a pattern is something that repeats and repeats and goes over and over and follows the same way. Okay, so let's complete this pattern. Let's read the numbers to see what the pattern starts out like, and then we are going to have to finish it. Okay, so let's read the numbers together. Say it with me. 19, 20, 21. That sounds to me like we're counting. Let's try that again. 19, 20, 21. So what do you guys think comes next in the pattern? 27? No, silly Miss Yusi, not 27. What comes after 21 in our counting pattern? 22. So I want you to look down here and find which two numbers comes next. 19, 20, 21. What two come next, and point to which answer you want to pick. All right, if you pick 22 and 23, that is correct. The reason that we should not pick this one, listen to this. If I would have counted the pattern with this, does it sound right? 19, 20, 21, 22, 21. Does that sound right to you guys? Doesn't sound right to me. Let's try the other one. 19, 20, 21, 23, 24. Uh-oh. That's kind of right, but we skipped 22. Poor 22. We need to remember 22 in our pattern. So let's see if the one that's right makes sense to us. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Does that sound right to you guys? If it does, give me a thumbs up. Oh, you guys are so smart. Kiss your brains. Say, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Good job. All right, let's move on to our lesson for the day. We are going to use objects and drawings to find how many are left. And an extension for this is if you would like to draw a number bond, you may do so. Okay, so we are going to look at the number sentence and look at the bears and try and find the answer. Okay, so let's read the number sentence together. What is this number? 6. Take away how many? 1 equals what? So we have 6 bears. How many do they want us to take away? Tell me. 1. So what's something we could do to show that we're taking away a bear? Should we add another bear? Oh, no, that would be adding, but we're taking away, Miss Houston. Okay, so we could cross one out, right? Okay, so we have 6. 5, 6. They want us to take away how many? 1. So I'm going to cross out 1 bear. There we go. He's crossed out. And now they want us to know how many were left. 6 take away 1 equals how many? You count the bears. How many do we have left? How many do we have left? 5 bears. You guys are so smart. We can also do this problem on our fingers. So if we start with how many? Look at what number we're starting with. 6. How many are we taking away? 1. So let's take away 1 finger. 1. How many do we have left? 5. Did we get the same answer as we did with our bears? Yes, we did. Those are 2 ways you can do that problem. Very good. Let's try the second one over here. Let's read the number sentence together first so we know what they are asking. Starting down here with the 7. Ready? Read it with me. Go. 7 take away 2 equals. And they want us to find the answer. 7 take away 2. So How many bears should we cross out? We're starting with 7. 5, 6, 7. We're taking away how many? 2. So let's cross out 2 bears. Just like the problem said, take away 2 bears, so we cross them out. How many do we have left? How many bears are left? You count them. 5 bears. So 7 bears. Take away 2 bears equals how many bears? 5. Very good. Let's do it on our fingers to double check that we're right. We're starting with how many? What number do you see first in that number sentence? I see 7 right here. So we're going to start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 on my fingers. How many are we taking away from that 7? Read the number sentence. How many are we taking away? 2. So I'm going to put down or take away 2 fingers. Ready? Go. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 5. Does that match our answer that we got here? It does. Very, very good, students. All right, let's go to our next one. We are going to do the left, and then you can pause the video and do the one on the right together, and I will, or by yourself, and I will reveal the answer to see if you got the right one, okay? All right, so here we go. We have 6 bears, 5, 6, and they want us to take away how many? 4. 6, take away 4 equals, that's what we need to find out. So let's take away 4 bears. I'm going to draw 4 X's on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so how many do we have left? We had 6. We took away 4. How many bears are left? Count them. 1, 2. 2 bears are left. Let's see if we got it right. 2, and let's double check with our fingers. Our number sentence tells us to start with how many? 6. It tells us to take away how many? 4. So let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? 2. Is that the same answer we got with our bears? Yes, it is. Very good job. All right, go ahead and pause the video here and try the problem on the right in your own notebook. Figure out what 7 take away 3 is. You can use your fingers or you can draw bears for yourself. Okay, you should have gotten 4 bears. 7 take away 1, 2, 3 is 4. Very, very good. If you had bears in your notebook, it should have looked like this. 3 bears that were taken away and 4 left. Very, very good. Okay, we have time for about one more. So let's go ahead and count the bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 5, 6, 7, 8. And that matches up with our number sentence. They want us to start with 8 bears, and they want us to take away how many bears? 1. So we have 8 bears, take away 1 equals how many? That's what they want us to find. So I'm going to put an X on how many bears to take away how many bears? 1. Okay, here goes my X on my bear. And let's count again how many are left. 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's see if we got it right. 7 bears left. Yay, we got it. Now let's double check with our fingers that this number sentence makes sense, okay? They want us to start with 8 and take away 1. So let's take away 1. 1. How many are left? 5, 6, 7. 7. We got it right. All right, you pause the video and do this problem by yourself. 8 take away 2 equals, you find out. Pause it here. Okay, if you got the answer, it should be 6. Very good. I want to give y'all a reminder that Math Centers is what comes after this video. It's very important to do hands-on learning with math, if that's number writing, if that's practicing number bonds, or just doing the questions in this video. If you have a math workbook, do 1 or 2 pages in that. You can use the manipulative coins that I gave you in the bucket, or use, that's my timer to tell me it's time to wrap up this video. You can go online to happynumbers or education.com just like we do in class 2 follow up on our math lesson. See you tomorrow.